Okay, this is going to be a quick video on beginning two-point sketching, two-point perspective. And this is the sketch we're going to be doing. First we start with the horizon line, vanishing point left, vanishing point right. Not in the center, deliberately off center, I'm going to draw my true height corner. And this is a graph paper at 1/4 inch scale. We're going to use the graph paper at the true height corner to give us 8 feet height of a ceiling. So my horizon line for myself is 5 feet. I'm 5'2", so my horizon line is typically at 5 feet for me. So follow along with this exercise at 5 feet. So if it's an 8-foot room, we go above the horizon line at 3 feet, and below we go 5 feet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is our true height corner. From each vanishing point, we'll start with vanishing point left and sketch lightly. Go lightly to the top of the wall, go lightly to the top of the true height corner and out. This is the wall, the right wall. From vanishing point right through the top of the true height corner and out. And then at the base also, this is our left wall. These light guidelines could be erased. We can mark off the grid on the true height corner, and this gives us 8 feet. If I know that typically a door height and a window height is at 6'8", I can go 5, 6, roughly 6'8" on that true height corner would be about right there. So anything I draw from that height, from the vanishing point along this wall, this is all 6'8" height across there. And if my windows are beautiful big windows, I'm going to go 2 feet off the ground, come from vanishing point left, and come out. So there's the base of my window. So this is the range of height for my window. Now all I need to do is pick a width. And if I want it pretty close here in the center, close to the true height corner, I pull it in here. It could be anywhere in here. The width, I think it's about that wide. Okay, here's my window. Let's put a door on the left-hand side. Again, the height would be the same. So from vanishing point right, through that 6'8" point and out. And my door can be in here anywhere. Do I want a single door? Do I want a double door? Do I want French doors? What do I want? Let's try double French doors. I'm just placing a width, or a starting point, and I'm going to pick this wide. And if I want to divide this in two, all we have to do is put an X in the box that we just drew, and here in perspective would be the division of the two doors. Let's build French doors. I'm going to do 6 panes in there. I can put an X in this box, and that is the center, vertical, of that center mullion line. I can put an X in this box, and this is my center of the other door. Then and this is just sketching, we're not trying to be perfect. Whoops. And let's divide it. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Oops, then I need this here. So here's my window, roughly my window divisions in sketching mode. I could be a little bit more accurate, but that's good enough. Okay, we'll have some doorknobs in here, right someplace. All right, let's put an area rug on the floor. An area rug is a good starting point because an area rug represents the footprint of anything we might put in a room. So 2 lines come from vanishing point left, 2 lines come from vanishing point right. Where they intersect are the corners of my footprint or my area rug. And I can adjust. I can make it wider, I can make it longer. Let's say that's really more of the size I want for an area rug. Let's say this area rug has stripes. Let's say the area rug has fringe. All that fringe would be in line with the vanishing point. Let's say I've got fringe out here too. I know that each one of these comes from the vanishing point. How about a skylight in the ceiling? Same thing. If I was to flip this upside down, this area rug would represent a skylight in the ceiling. So 2 lines from vanishing point left and 2 from vanishing point right. There's my skylight. Now a skylight may have some thickness. We have a vertical, then we come from vanishing point right, and we come from vanishing point left. So that's the wall thickness inside there. And there's our skylight. Yes. Since the wall lines went to vanishing point left, the depth line will go to vanishing point right here. And then whatever thickness I want, I know I have to go vertical. And then I know that I mirror this front line for this back line from vanishing point left and out. There'll be another depth line in here. I take this to vanishing point right. And where those two meet, I go to the other vanishing point. There's my wall thickness shown for my window. How about we have crown on the ceiling? Crown molding. Well, it's going to come down, I don't know, 6 inches or so. Vanishing point left, vanishing point right, vanishing point left. Depending on how fancy it is, we could add some more lines. We have base molding at the bottom. It would go up, you know, less than 6 inches. It could be 6, it could be 12. It's going to end there at the door. Actually, we don't have any door trim, do we? We know that we would need door trim. How do I know where that goes? It follows the door. Along the top, it would go to vanishing point right. So now we have our floor lines. Darken those in. Our ceiling line. I think we're done. That's just a quick introduction of 2-point perspective interior view.